August 28, 1963. 250,000 people stood under the hot sun waiting. Some had marched for miles, some came by bus. All came with one hope.
Then from the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, a man stepped up. He looked calm, but inside him was fire. His voice steady, his words, history.
His name was Martin Luther King Jr., and what he said next would shake the walls of hate and light a path toward justice.
He had spoken before. He had marched. He had been jailed. But this was different. This was a moment the world could not ignore.
He spoke of a promise, the promise written in the Declaration of Independence, that all men are created equal.
But for Black Americans, that promise was broken. They were told to wait. Wait for fairness. Wait for freedom. Wait to matter.
And Martin said, "We will not wait any longer." He spoke of justice that was long overdue, of children judged not by skin but by heart, of mountains of despair turned into stones of hope.
Then came the words that made time stand still.
I have a dream. He dreamed of a day when black and white children could play together, when freedom would ring from every state, every city, every heart.
His voice didn't shout. It soared, like a song of courage echoing through the crowd, through the nation, through the years.
Some cried, some cheered, but everyone knew they were hearing more than a speech, they were hearing history.
And though Martin Luther King Jr. would not live to see all his dream come true, his words planted something deep in the soul of America.
A seed of change, a cry for justice, a dream bow that still walks with us today.
Because dreams like his don't fade.
They rise.